Here's how to remove background noise in Capcut. So first, open your Capcut project and add the video or audio that you want to edit. Remember that the audio can be a part of video or a separate audio track. Scroll to the right and there you'll get the option of extract audio. Select it, will be extracted from the video. Now select the audio and scroll all the way to the right again, and there you'll get the option of reduce noise. Go ahead and tap on it and then toggle the switch on.
I'm telling you.
If you're working with just the audio track, you'll find it faster. And the reduce noise feature is a part of Capcut standard, which requires payment to export. However, you can hear the difference before you pay and tap the reduce noise option to turn it on, and Capcut will reduce the noise. Then tap on the check mark and now play it back to hear the improvement. Keep in mind that if you export the video, you'll be prompted to pay to unlock the standard feature. And there is also another option that is isolate voice. You can also select it and then select keep voice option. And this feature will also help you reduce the background noise and only isolate the voice from the video. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.